Hey everybody, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland with July's Amiami Tomica Limited Vintage pre-order arrival. So I probably ordered these a long time ago, never thinking that July would come, because I ordered a bunch of duplicates for some reason. That's why this box is so big. Anyway, let's get right into it. As I show, Amiami always sends this artwork, and thanks for shopping with us. Hope it arrives safely. Amico's Revival Series. I don't know what any of this means, but yeah, it always does arrive safely because they do a phenomenal job packing it. And we're gonna get right into what we got here. So first off is LVN 287B. This is a Corolla wagon, 1996, L Touring. It's in all green. It's got no roof rails there. Pretty neat, like it. Put it right there. And the matching car is going to be 287A, which is again a 96. It's a L Touring, but this time it has the two-tone. It's got the graphics on it, and it's got roof rails, so you can see the difference between the two there. And this one might have, oh no, it doesn't have any user installed parts. So maybe the roof rails are already attached. That would be great, because I really don't appreciate these user installed Tomica parts. All right, so next up is the N234D. So this is the fourth iteration of the R32, where does it say? Here we go. The Skyline. Right, this one is in the Jex livery. Pretty neat. This comes in this box, so it's easy to open, and you can see. Let's pull it out real quick. So it's very orange. And the only thing that I'm not too keen on with this casting are the wheels. I just think the wheels are a little too big. But other than that, it's very cool. It's very detailed. It's got the roll cage, single seat, hood opens, so you can see the motor. It's mostly detailed. Good chassis. It's got the side exhaust there, right? You can see the roll cage clearly. So very, very nice. Okay. And let's see what else we got. And we got, oh, nope, did that one already. Here we go. LVN 186E. So this is the fifth version of the Lancer Evolution, right? It's an Evo 4. It's in this blue. It's a GSR, maybe GSR-I. I know it's a GSR, so that's probably a character. Cool. Yeah. Jeez, how many of those did I get? Okay, here we go. And the 190E. So this is an RS version of the Lancer. This is the Lancer Evo 6. So the RS one gets you steel wheels there. It's pretty much poverty spec. Black mirrors, black handles. And they've done a couple other RSs prior to this. Let's see what else we got here. And this one is my favorite because the color on this, LVN 286A. So this is the first version of the 200E GL 79 Nissan Gloria, and it's in this very 70s color, the green. They have a bunch of these models in a similar hue of green. And it's pretty nice. I guess is that this year. Yep. All right, and lastly is this big old thing. It is LVN 173B, and it's the Hino HH341 tractor and the Tokyo TD302 trailer. So it's pretty monstrous. Look at the wheels in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 16 wheels just on the back trailer alone. So this is a heavy duty thing. So this will go well with the car carrier. You can put some heavy equipment on this. So pretty neat. Let's see if I can balance it on top of here. So again, this is the July pre-order Amiami Tomica Limited Vintage. Not a bad setup there. All right. Thanks for viewing. Check out some of the other TLV videos I've got, and I'm gonna get some pictures of these going and get them up on my Instagram at Onesixtyfourland. Thanks.